Hello, in this video we'll quickly run through a brief demo highlighting the new MQTT functionality we've added to the OmnIoT SoftHub platform. If you're not familiar with the OmnIoT SoftHub platform, please check out our main website at www.omniot.com and/or our YouTube video channel at OmnIoT Videos. Links to both will be in the video description below. In our example scenario, we'll run a configuration that took roughly 20 minutes to create and deploy. We have a Raspberry Pi Zero running the OmnIoT SoftHub daemon, and we'll configure it to connect to three sensors: a Bluetooth NXP RapidIoT sensor, a Bluetooth Dialog Semiconductor 14585 sensor, and an ANT Garmin Tempe sensor. Once connected, it will publish via MQTT the temperature data from the Garmin sensor, the humidity data from the NXP sensor, and the current barometric pressure from the Dialog Semiconductor sensor. All sensor data will be published to two separate MQTT brokers in the cloud, where we've configured two simple dashboards to display the data in real time. The two dashboards are configured and hosted at thingsboard.io and Microsoft's Azure PowerBi, respectively. In addition to displaying the data, the ThingsBoard dashboard also incorporates a control switch widget, which will allow us to control our SoftHub remotely. In the scenario, the switch has been configured to enable or disable sensor data publishing to the Azure server. When the switch is in the on position, the data will be published to both platforms. And when it is in the off position, the SoftHub will only publish the data to the ThingsBoard dashboard. Obviously, this is a fairly contrived scenario, but it's simply meant to illustrate how you can quickly publish your sensor data to one or more MQTT brokers, while also providing a simple example of how you can control the SoftHub remotely via an MQTT dashboard widget. This is the configuration file, which defines a handful of objects and rules we created to implement our example scenario. We'll save the file and then use the pscp command to push it to the Raspberry Pi running the SoftHub daemon. Now we'll restart the daemon via an SSH session we have open to the Raspberry Pi. Hopping over to the ThingsBoard dashboard, we'll start to see the data arriving shortly and updating the widgets we've configured. For those unfamiliar with ThingsBoard, we'd like to point out that our demonstration here only shows a fraction of its capabilities. It provides a wide variety of display widgets and can be run either hosted on the ThingsBoard.io cloud servers, or you can download and install your own instances. It also provides the ability to easily create both desktop and responsive mobile dashboard formats, allowing you to monitor and control your SoftHub devices either via computer or via mobile phone browsers or apps. Now let's have a look at the PowerBi dashboard. You can see that the same real-time data is arriving now at our Azure IoT Hub PowerBi dashboard as well. We'll switch back to the ThingsBoard dashboard and toggle our control switch to tell the SoftHub to disable publishing to the Azure broker. Toggling the switch publishes an MQTT message from the dashboard to a topic that we've configured the SoftHub to subscribe to. Looking back at our PowerBi dashboard, we can see data is no longer being received. We'll hop back to the ThingsBoard dashboard and toggle our widget switch back to the on position, and shortly we'll again see data arriving at the PowerBi dashboard. As previously mentioned, this video is just meant to introduce some of the new MQTT features we've added. So far, in our initial testing, we've confirmed compatibility with more than a dozen third-party cloud-based service providers, including Microsoft Azure, Amazon AWS, IBM Watson, ThingsBoard.io, Cayenne, and UBI Dots, just to name a few. See the links in the video description for additional videos detailing the new objects that enable this functionality and providing examples of how to configure them to get your data to many of the dozens of third-party cloud-based MQTT-enabled services currently available. And as mentioned at the start of the video, please check out our other videos on our YouTube video channel OmnIoT videos, as the functionality we've touched on here truly represents only a small fraction of what can be accomplished in just minutes using the OmnIoT SoftHub platform to implement your IoT edge infrastructure. Thanks for watching, and if you have any questions or comments, please contact us directly through our website at www.omniot.com.